I'm a baggage. Pizza, donut, mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese.
Lately nothing goes in my direction.
Hey, this is Babe Traveling, your next door travel babe. If you like my travel and life tips, please do like and subscribe. In this video, I'm gonna show you Chloe Ting's Intense Core Challenge without diet. Yeah, I've been eating donuts, pizza, burger, etc. I would like to show you this journey. It's practically her hardest workout so far in my own experience. Yeah, because I did the Chloe Ting's abs challenge. If you want to see that, this is the link. My friend told me to do workout videos, but I told them like no, because I look ridiculous. Yeah, this is gonna be my most embarrassing video. Very cringy for me as I watch it, as you could see in my first few days of workout. So promise me you're gonna watch till the end so I can redeem myself, okay? It's like Game of Thrones. The first season's gonna be rough, but I promise you it's gonna get better, okay? So if you're like me, who likes her donuts and pizza, watch it till the end. See the results.
Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection.
Plant your feet apart and we're doing some cross-body toe touches. Try to do it in a full range of motion, as this will really help with your next workout.
Oh my goodness. It's like doing the exercise wrong. Yeah, today's my first day of the Intense Core Challenge, and I must say this workout is a killer. I don't know. I think you have to be advanced to do this. I'm not advanced. I haven't worked out for 3 weeks. So my muscles are super hurting right now.
And every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion.
Day 3, yesterday I ate donuts for breakfast, and I had 2 ramens and a mango. Like, that's what I ate. It's very unhealthy. The ramen is, by the way, pre-packed. I got it from 7-Eleven. I got those like Korean ramen I was craving for. So I really need to work out today, and I skipped yesterday, which I'm feeling bad for. I am feeling bloated. My lower tummy, I think, expanded more. I gained an inch on my lower tummy. I think it's because my period is coming. Okay, time to try Chloe Ting's. This is her July 2 workout.
And to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow.
I am feeling energized today. Far from what I'm feeling like a few days ago. I rested for 2 days. I don't have any excuse for that. I don't have anything to say. But I did hike the next day, and it's supposed to be a rest day anyways, active rest. And then the next day, it was a Sunday, and I wasn't just feeling it. I went straight and had my French toast. And today is the day, the 5th workout day for Chloe Ting. Chloe Ting, you're crazy. Shocker. Today is day 7 of the Chloe Ting Intense Core Workout Challenge, and I am feeling my abs today. What did I do? I just had a sip of my apple cider vinegar, and that's what I've been doing every day. I am not dieting. Yesterday I had mac and cheese.
Now that
I'm in my 9th day for Chloe Ting Intense Core Challenge, and I've been eating a lot. Yesterday I had donuts. It was really good.
You need to take a little rest and go for it. It's okay.
looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in.
I'm in day 10 now for Chloe Ting Intense Core Challenge. I ate pizza and fries last night. I am guilty, but it was so good, so I'm sorry. So now I really have to work it out. Okay, day 10, here we go.
Up, lost in an endless maze, the emptiness had afforded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow.
11th day of Chloe Ting's Intense Core Challenge, and I don't think I'm doing a great job. I skipped yesterday's workout. In my experience, I can only do 2 consecutive workouts and then I have to do rest day. I have that injury on my hammies, and I don't know, I just can't do 3 days of intense core workout. I think this would be more efficient if I do the intense workout 3 times and then do the actual diet. I haven't dieted for the past week. I'm doing a day 13 workout today. Why? Because day 12 is supposed to be a rest day, but then I skipped workout the other day, so trying to catch up a little bit. That's what's going on right now. And I feel good, so I'm gonna work out now.
Sure you're adjusting this based on your fitness level. No breaks here, get into a low plank and we're doing some plank hops. For an easier alternative, get in a high plank and tap one leg to the side, one at a time.
Hi, it's the last 2 days for Chloe Ting's challenge, and I don't know, I'm excited for this thing to finish, but I'm super hurting right now. Like, obviously I have this sunburn, so it's gonna hurt. Ouch. Oh. Oh. Today, oh, it's wiggly. I need to do arm workout. Today, flabby arms, is the last day of the Chloe Ting Intense Core Challenge for me. It took me a while, it took me 3 weeks, but you know, I took my time, I didn't diet, and I don't know if the results are okay. What do you think? I'm pretty excited to do my last workout today. Donuts later.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up is written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory.
This is a no diet, more rest result right here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and hit that notification button.